Imagine this, Earth suddenly moves. Not just tectonic plates, not the usual spin, but the entire planet begins drifting away from its orbit towards Mercury. No explanation, no warning. It's as if the Earth made a conscious decision to pay Mercury a visit, and from the first second, the countdown to catastrophe begins. Within seconds, gravity chaos erupts. The moon, now confused without its earthly dance partner, starts wobbling erratically. Tides collapse, satellites lose sync, GPS fails, power grids shut down. People across the globe look up as the sky shifts, stars no longer in their rightful place. As Earth escapes its Goldilocks orbit, we begin hurtling inward, closer to the sun. Temperatures skyrocket by the hour. Antarctica begins to melt like butter under a blowtorch. Coastal cities are flooded, then boiled. Plants wither, animals collapse, humans panic. Meanwhile, Mercury, poor, tiny Mercury, isn't ready. It's not just the gravitational shock of Earth approaching, it's the incoming atmospheric chaos. Earth's magnetic field begins to clash with Mercury's weak magnetosphere. Radiation floods the region. Solar flares dance wildly between both planets, forming a bridge of deadly energy. The distance between the planets shrinks. Massive earthquakes crack the Earth's crust. Continents shift. Volcanic eruptions coat the sky in ash. Daylight no longer exists. It's replaced by an eerie red glow of proximity to the sun. Mercury, unable to hold its own, begins to slow, pulled by Earth's gravity. Both planets spiral toward collision. Suddenly, tectonic plates begin to detach. The sky is filled with fire as meteors from the disturbed asteroid belt begin raining down. On Mercury, the surface shatters. Its fragile crust can't withstand Earth's gravitational force. On Earth, humans retreat underground, but it's too late. Nuclear reactors explode from overheating. Oceans evaporate. Life as we know it extinguishes. Then, silence. A new celestial object is born, half Earth, half Mercury, cracked, lifeless, spinning chaotically near the sun. A Frankenstein of planetary ambition and natural law. But what if this wasn't Earth's last stop? What if it wasn't just Mercury on its list? What if Earth had just begun a cosmic journey through every planet in our solar system, one by one? What if Venus is next?